I think other areas are where back office users need to, work, in collaboration maybe, and work out a certain goal, for a specific case. That's where we probably need more machine learning.
Yeah, I mean, in a perfect world, I love straight-through processing. We all do. It's wonderful when something happens immediately. And
Right.
it used to take quite a while when you were waiting. But it doesn't always happen. It isn't always possible. Sometimes there are exceptions. Sometimes knowledge workers
Right.
need to get involved. And increasingly, you're right, increasingly machines can start to do some of the limited things that a knowledge worker used to have to do. With machine learning, there are things that you can now trust a machine to do that we used to have to hand over to a human being. So we're starting to see that pop up a little bit.
Yeah. And we have been doing this since 2008 with
Yes.
our user-trained agent
Yes.
in our Papyrus platform, where we believe in that the knowledge worker trains the system, and then the system basically performs the process and makes also suggestions. What is the next best action?
What's the next logical step? And it's
Exactly.
getting easier, right? So the technology to do that is getting better. You guys have been in it for a long time, so you understand
Yes.
the foundational capabilities, but what's happening around you is you're getting better technology, you're getting more powerful systems to process this, you're getting more data points, so you're getting more people to
Absolutely.
learn from, and that's really important.
Absolutely. I think in a service-oriented environment, like where now, for example, incident management, with ticketing, for example, we have just launched a framework for that, a solution for that. That's where these things are very important, because you do get questions which are just not possible to know them before, or to define them before in a hard-coded straight-through process. So you have exception handling, you have possibly people who have not yet the knowledge, and those people need, suggestions. What do I do next? What is the best next action to make less also mistakes and to be faster, completing maybe a case.
Human-like insights, right? I think that's maybe what you're getting to, is that the machine is taking somebody who maybe hasn't seen this before, maybe nobody's ever seen this before.
Right.
It's not an FAQ, it doesn't happen all the time, it doesn't go through a rule and a script, but it provides that human-like insight based on all the things that the system has seen. And the human may take it as just one of many inputs as well, right? It doesn't
Right.
necessarily mean that the human isn't still making the decision, but some of these insights can be really brilliant. Sometimes the machine can see things that a human just is never going to see.
Exactly.
They have way more
Exactly.
data.